Jai Hind. Dear students of class 10th, this video is to discuss about the writing skills. Instead of story writing, this year you have to write an analytical paragraph on the basis of a given graph, map, chart, report, etc. in about 150-200 words. Today we are going to discuss how to write a report based on a bar graph. Do you know what a bar graph is? Bar graphs are used to show relationships between different data series. Now, look at the question given here. The chart shows the division of household tasks by gender in Great Britain. Write a report describing the information shown below. You should write at least 150 words. Here, you are asked to write a report describing the division of household tasks by men and women in Great Britain. This is a bar graph and it shows the relationships between the tasks done by both men and women. Y-axis and X-axis, isn't it? So look at the Y-axis, what it suggests? It suggests the minutes spent by men and women per day. And what about the X-axis? It suggests the household tasks, different household tasks done by men and women. The first bar indicates the minutes taken by males and the second bar indicates the minutes taken by females. So, we could understand that they have given the comparison of time spent by both men and women for different household tasks. Now, we are going to learn how to write a report based on this particular graph. While writing such a report, remember that you are writing for someone who cannot see the graph. It should be written in brief using simple and accurate language. As you write an essay, the report should also be written in 3 parts. The introduction, the body of the report and the conclusion. Heading is also very important. Here they have simply written report. You can also write report on the division of household tasks. Okay? Now, see how they have started the introduction. They have started with the phrase, the chart given above shows. Isn't it? So, you can start like this or otherwise the bar chart illustrates. The graph shows. The bar graph shows. That's enough. Understood? The first paragraph should describe the purpose of the report. Don't go into any detail at this stage. 1 or 2 or 3 sentences enough for introduction. Be careful about the tense you use. Okay? Be consistent in that. If you are writing about a present time period, stick to the present tense throughout the report. Okay? Now, the body of the report. When you write the body of the report, describe the most important facts with all the information summarized to avoid unnecessary details. You have to look for large differences. First, try to find some aspects that are significantly larger than the other and that is much smaller or fewer than the other. Then find an aspect that is constant or that are similar. Understood? The number of paragraphs depends on the number of distinctive features your graph has. There should be 1 para for each. The secret here is actually, students listen, the secret here is to select what is important, organize it, compare and then contrast. That's enough. Here they have written the body of the report in 2 different paragraphs. Understood? So that's enough here. And now about the conclusion. That's very important. The last para, that should sum up what is shown on the figure and make a comparison if possible. Okay. No need of any kind of personal observation or response rather than the data given. Very, very important point. No need of any kind of personal observation. Okay, your response or personal observations not to be written in conclusion. Just keep to the facts. Okay. Now, when we move on to the comparison, just when you study the graph, what all aspects you have to do? Listen. You have to look at the graph carefully. Look at the first task, cooking, baking, etc. Isn't it? Men spend only 30 minutes while women spend 74 minutes per day. Now, how to write this body of the report? While you write that body of the report, you have to use some connectors and linking phrases like however, therefore, so, but, etc. It may be appropriate to use long multi-clause sentences as shown here, okay, to connect the different ideas. Hope you have understood how to write a report based on a paragraph. Thank you.